Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix iPhone notification not working on iOS 16. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. If notification not showing on your iPhone and iPad iOS 16, then I'll show you how can you fix it. So for that, what you need to do is just simply open settings first, and after that what you need to do is just simply tap on focus. And firstly make sure that you have turned the toggle off for do not disturb mode. So you have to turn off your do not disturb from here, and after that what you need to do is just simply go back from here, and after that what you need to do is just simply open notifications, and from here make sure that you have turned the toggle on for scheduled summary, and then go back from here again, and after that what you need to do is just simply scroll it down and tap on general, and after that what you need to do is just simply scroll it down all the way, and from here what you need to do is just simply shut down your device, and after that check whether your form has been fixed or not. And if a bounce is there, then what you need to do is just simply open settings again, and then you have to scroll it down again, tap on notification, then from here make sure that you have turned the toggle on for all the apps. So from here you have to turn the toggle on for all the apps, and after that what you need to do is just simply make sure that if your problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is there, then what you need to do is just simply open settings again, scroll it on, and from here you have to tap on general, and make sure that you have updated your iPhone or iPad to the latest version, and after that check whether your problem has been fixed or not. And if problem is there, then what you need to do is just simply open settings again, scroll it down, tap on general, scroll it down all the way, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset network setting. So from here you have to reset your network setting, tap on reset network setting. This will delete all network setting, returning them to factory defaults, and after that check whether the form has been fixed or not. And if the problem is there, then what you need to do is just simply delete the specific app which is notification not showing. If the WhatsApp notification not showing, then you have to delete your WhatsApp from here, and then you have to reinstall it. If some specific apps notification not showing, then you have to delete all the apps from your phone, and then you have to reinstall it. And after that what you need to do is just simply check whether your form has been fixed or not. And if the form like this there, then what you need to do is just simply open settings again, then you have to scroll it down all the way, and then you have to tap on general. From here tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings. So you have to reset all setting at the end. So you have to reset your all setting, and this will reset all setting, no data or media will be deleted. And after that you have to restart your device, and after that of your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.